Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys. Today we will make just minor update on our view on the Great British Pound. We mostly have discussed this currency in our weekly research where we have talked on the major points of our analysis, our expectation on the Great British Pound. So everybody knows that right now the pound stands under pressure of the coming Brexit voting, and currently the major sentiment, the different polls right now suggest that situation has changed drastically. So if 2 weeks ago we mostly have the most part of the supporters of the staying in the European Union, right now the recent polls and many analyses start to talk about that mostly right now the citizens stands in the idea of the outvoting from the European Union, and this presses on the Great British Pound as well on the euro currency. So this very narrow situation, if you remember how the Ireland has voted, this was really very strong impact on the Great British Pound, although the voting was not successful, I mean in terms of the abandoning of the United Kingdom. Still it has led to the massive outflow of the money from the national currency on the forex market, out from the Great Britain pound. So this has led to the significant volatility and the dropping on the Great British Pound. Recall we also have prepared the analysis on this on that time and have traded these events. So right now we have approximately the same thing, and we of course can't predict what will happen. So what results will be, and we could base our thoughts, our analysis only on the technical picture. Very often it happens that the technical analysis anticipate the real results of some fundamental event. Even we saw that sometime on the market. So when we see some different picture, it's not far to go. For example, on the New Zealand dollar, recent thrust up, said probably market should reach the target because it hasn't been tested. This is major target, and market hardly will turn down before New Zealand dollar will touch this area, 71.50 target. But we haven't known what the reason could be for that. As a result, Reserve Bank of the New Zealand keep rate unchanged, and New Zealand has skyrocketed. So that's the example how technical analysis could predict the events. Something of that sort we have right now on the Great British Pound. We can't say clear what will happen on the voting, but the overall market, the Great British Pound now looks really heavy. As in a long-term perspective, we have long-term target, it's 130.50 approximately. This is not really, probably hardly this will happen very soon, but still this is extended our target. And you know that for the year we have talked about how that we have the bearish view on the Great British Pound by the fundamental reasons that now stand inside the country. It's a great burden on the households, I mean the debt burden. So as this coming Brexit voting. So in the short-term perspective, we have spent a lot of time to discussing what really has happened here, to understand the market mechanics of this price action that we see here, and we have come to conclusion that this is not just a retracement down, but this is the reversal moment on the Great British Pound. If you know, if you would like to know why we have decided so you just need to read to look at our yesterday's video or read the weekly research. Now we stand in progress to the downside. Our last thought on weekend said that probably market should show some minor bounce here because it stands at strong support. This is the trend line, as you can see, support resistance area is oversold on the daily time right at the fib level. But take a look how this bounce have happened. So take a look. This has happened. So on Monday, this bounce has happened. We said that probably it should reach the weekly pivot point and this conference resistance. We said maybe 144, 44.20 areas market should test, but this hasn't happened. Market almost has reached this area, but not quite. It hasn't reached the weekly pivot point. It just shows how market is really weak and how it looks heavy. So even at such circumstances, in such conditions, when the market stands at the oversold, at the strong support, it wasn't able to jump slightly high to touch and test weekly pivot point, and immediately has dropped right below, right down to the same area. Right now it just lays upon this support area. So this really bears a sign for the market. And take a look at the market. If on Friday this was just minor penetration of the monthly pivot support one, here right now we have the definite sign. That's market definitely has closed and dropped below the monthly pivot support one. This confirms the idea that this is not just a retracement. This is reversal, guys. So what most probable development in the coming couple of sessions? I think that most probable development we will get the consolidation, because market can't, as you can see, fly higher, since due to the reasons that we have just discussed. At the same time, it has the problems with the dropping, since market stands at strong support and oversold. And we have the Fed meeting, and where activity probably could be reduced slightly, so market will expect the results. That's why the most probable what we could get here is the consolidation, and I think that it could be something of that sort. So if you have on the hourly chart, we could get some kind of the triangle, because from the downside market is still oversold and it can't easily break this area. At the same time, it can't move to the upside. That's our current view on the Great British Pound. But when we will get the Fed meeting results, and when market will abandon slightly this oversold condition, when oversold will come lower, market will stand for some time here around 142 area. It will have the room. It will get the room for the further dropping, and we think that closer to the end of the current week we will see downward continuation here. That's our thought. That's currently at least how it looks like right now. So let's see what we will get. But today, tomorrow, probably we will have to deal with this consolidation.